From Steam Bright Supply, and today we're going to just show you how easy it is to roll up a 2-inch by 50-foot piece of vacuum hose. A lot of times, because it's just so heavy and bulky, and people I see really struggle with it. So the way that I like to do it is I'll just grab the two cuff ends and pull them away from me. Then I'm going to just come back to the middle of the unit and just give it a little bit of a twist as I lay it down. So as I'm going to pull it towards me, I'm just going to twist it. I'm actually just twisting it a little bit like this as I'm coming in. And when you're done with this, you just take the unit and flip it over like this and keep going with the other half. And then when you're done with it, you can either put a bungee cord over the outside of it, or maybe those rubber straps that have the S-hooks on them, and then throw it in your service truck. Anyway, thanks for watching.